G'day viewers, how are you? Michael here. I am over at my property. It's been raining a little bit here. These are my little chookies. Lake Superior. Oh, there's Ghost, my dog. Yeah, he looks a bit happy. They're walking through deep water. We can throw a few feed to these ones. Yeah, I'm going to walk you around and show you a bit what's going on. This is my row of trees. Look, this is how it is. I live about 10 minutes away, and where I am on the lake's not too bad. It was actually easy driving out. It was pretty good. It's just got worse here at my property. This is upstream more. It's a little odd. Normally it's lower this time at my house, which is down near the lake, but up here, up the river, it's actually higher than it's ever been. It's actually traveling through my property. Interesting. Now they've been doing some road works down the road further. I'm wondering if they've affected the water flow, but for some reason it's more up here than 10 minutes away. My little chookies need a oh, they've got a little high spot there. They're fine. I'll go and check their she's doing a bit of clucking. I think she might be gone broody, which is unusual. This is the neighbour's property. I've never seen it this high before here. Never seen it this high. Wow. Very high. Very high indeed. Luckily, this is my pigeons. What happened? Oh, the younger ones don't like it. Yeah, just checking. Wow, this is not good. Pigeons, mate, how they can get up on higher spots. Luckily, the yard, my pens here are higher. Yep. Yep. No, they got dry spots. Wow, I've never seen it this full. Never seen it this full. This, just to show you my feet. That's a lot of water. I've come here. Oh, it's dry. Very dry. Fantastic. All right. They're good anyway because I have it off the ground. This spot is low. Interesting. It's high. Wow, that's a lower spot. All right, it needs a little bit of raising here. Oh, there's a neighbour's street there. Things we do, the things we do to go home. Home now. What do you think? Not bad. I've got a tripod holding it. All right, let's go and show them the road, Jamie. Oh, look at his neighbour's house. Oh. anyway, the main thing is my animals are all safe. Oops. All my animals are safe, and that's the main thing. Oh, here we go. We're just about out now, so we can see the sign. So it's only inches. While doing my editing, my son ran in actually and said to me, "Hey, look on the news, we're famous." Now I'm going to show you this here. You just watch and see what's happening here.
Power of Somersby Falls on display. As
Now,
Mother Nature put on a spectacular
right after this is our property. That's my place there.
The entrance north Copter.
This is nearby.
Longjetty also felt the
Another
pinch.
close place. This is just around the corner, maybe 300 yards away.
Dunes crumbled away at Foresters Beach and there was deep water at Woy Woy. Meanwhile, over at Chittaway Point, locals...
So, yeah, even the news is reporting how bad our place was. Well, since all this has happened, I've got some news from my son. Now, I thought it was at its highest it's ever been up at my property, but it's really been climbing ever since. And we're at, well, it's up about another foot. So he said he can't see my quail anymore. The whole place is about a foot underwater. He managed to he went out in a canoe and crossed the Billabong to the other side. Three of my goats had gone into the cubby house and they were held up in there. Now the problem is the cubby house is in the middle of the water that's been coming down through the property. And they were okay when they went in there, but since then it's risen up and they were a little trapped in there. And it was up around their waist. So he went in on a canoe, went across to it and pulled them out one by one and put them up on the higher ground. So they're safe. I think I lost an alpaca. We'll see when all the dust settles or whatever, water recedes. But not too good. Anyway, there's probably people in worse situations than I am, but it's pretty nasty. So anyway, catch you later. Bye.